Understood? So here I have taken the next problem on its partnership, which is similar to previous problem, right? Only here the change is in the previous sum they had given the time of both the partners, but here it is silent. Means in a partnership between A and B, A invests rupees 4,000 more than B, but at the end of 10 months from the commencement of the year, A withdraws his entire capital. Yeah. So if out of an annual profit of rupees 8,700, A receives rupees 3,300 more than B. Question is find the capital of each partner. Right? It is similar to what it is previous problem, but only change here is what I said. At the end of 10 months from the commencement of the year, A withdraws his entire capital. What A has done? A has withdrawn his entire capital after 10 months. So about B, nothing is mentioned here. In the previous problem, they have given the time of both the partners. X has invested his capital for these 8 months and Y for 6 months. But here, what I said, only they have given about whom it is A. From the commencement, right? What he has done at the end of 10 months from the commencement of the year, A has withdrawn his entire capital. Means his capital is used only for how many months? 10 months. About B, nothing is mentioned. That means what? His capital is used up for all 12 months. That you have to understand. Only that is the point. Remaining rest of the problem is same. So again here they have asked to calculate the capital of each partner. So I don't know what is the capital of this A and B, but we know what A has invested. A invests rupees 4,000 more than B. So A's capital is more than B's capital by 4,000. And again what they said, out of a total profit of 8,700, A receives rupees 3,300 more than B. Clear? So let's begin with the solution. So again I will assume the capital of it is A and B. So how you have to assume it? Just like it is previous sum. Like D, it is capital. Let the capital of A, let the capital of A be rupees X and B. Let the capital of A be rupees X and the capital of B be rupees X minus 4,000. Because from A's capital you minus 4,000, so we get whose it is B's capital, because what I said, A invests 4,000 more than B. So A's capital is more, B's capital is less. Yeah. So these are the capitals, and now what do you have to do? Now we have to find out the share of profit. What is the total share of A and B? So we know what? We know the total profit is 8,700. Out of this, A has received 3,300 more than B. So here you have to write. We know that out of a total profit of rupees 8,700, A receives rupees 3,300 more than it is B. So if A receives 3,300 more than B out of a total profit of 8,700, so we have to find out what should be the total share of it is A and B. So first what do you do? First you remove the balance profit. Balance profit is equal to what you have to do? From 8,700 total profit, you minus 3,300 rupees. So if you minus, you get 5,400. Yeah. Means up to 5,400 rupees profit, both will have to get same share. Whatever excess share you have got, minus that from the total profit, means you will get 5,400 rupees balance profit. Means up to 5,400 rupees balance profit, both have to get equal share. So now what you have to do? This balance profit will have to distribute between A and B equally, right? In 1:1 ratio. So now here you write, now this balance profit is distributed between A and B equal, right? So up to this both get equal, that's why you have to distribute in equal ratio. It is not given in the problem. So why you have to distribute equally, that point you have to remember. Now you distribute. First you calculate A's share. A's share in the balance profit is equal to 5,400. You multiply by this 1 by 2. So divide this. It is 2,700. Then you calculate B's share. So B's share is equal to 5,400 is multiplied by this 1 by 2. So divide this also, get 2,700. Okay. Means out of this balance profit, A share 2,700, B will share 2,700 equal, right? Now what you will find? Now you will find out the total share of A and B. So you calculate A's total share. So A's total share is equal to this 2,700. In this one we have to add the excess share received by him. How much? 3,300. Means in all he will get how much it is? 6,000. Like that we find B's total share. B's total share equal to, he will get only 2,700. Yeah, is from 6,000. If you minus 2,700, difference must come 3,300. So 6,000 minus 2,700, difference comes to 3,300. That means what? Whatever shares we have calculated, that is correct, right? So if A gets 3,300 more than B, then A must get 6,000 and B must get 2,700. So these are the total share of X and Y. So total shares are known, their capitals we have assumed, time is also known. So now what I am going to calculate, I want to calculate the capital ratio and profit sharing ratio, right? To calculate the capital ratio, we need the capitals, and to calculate the profit sharing ratio, we need the profits. And we know that the profit sharing ratio is always equal to the capital ratio, or capital ratio is always equal to the profit sharing ratio. Both ratios remains, it is what, same. So therefore we have, right? Therefore we have, because by ratio I told, ratio can be expressed in two ways, either by writing horizontally or by expressing the same in division form. So anyhow I can express the ratio. So here I am going to express the ratio in division form, right? So if you want to calculate the capital ratio of A and B, so take A's capital and that will be divided by B's capital. So that is also called as what it is, ratio only. So what you have to do? You have to take A's capital that you multiply by his time divided by, you have to take B's capital that you multiply by his time, that is equal to, you have to take A's profit that you divide by B's profit. So A's capital, what is A's capital? It is X. A's capital we have assumed as X is multiplied by what is his time, what he has done. A, at the end of 10 months from the commencement of the year, A has withdrawn his entire capital. Means he was there in the business only for 10 months. So his time will be how many months? It is 10 months. So multiply by only 10 months divided by, what is B's capital? B's capital is X minus 4,000. About B nothing is mentioned. Means his capital, right, is used up for full 1 year. That is, he for how many months? 12 months. So you have to multiply his capital by 12 months. This is equal to A's profit we have got how much? It is 6,000 and B's profit we have got 2,700. Which are calculated here. Right? And as it is, you simplify this equation. So first you multiply X into 10, you get it is 10X divided by X minus 4,000, you multiply by 12. So 12 into X, you will get 12X minus 12 into 4,000, you will get 48,000. Put this into bracket, right? Equals to, this common 2 zeros get cancelled, and further if these numbers are divisible, you divide. So both numbers are divisible by this 3. It is 3 to the 3 9s, which it comes to 20 divided by 9. Again, this is not 20 is not exactly divisible by this 9, or this also we cannot divide, but I can do the cross multiplication. So to simplify this further, you do the cross multiplication. So here you write, therefore by cross multiplication, therefore by cross multiplication, and do the cross multiplication. This is how you have to do the cross multiplication. 10x you multiply by 9 and 12x minus 40,000 you multiply by 20. So multiply. So it is 10x you multiply by this 9 equal to this 12x minus 48,000 you multiply by what it is 20. Yeah, and multiply. So it is 10x into 9, you will get how much it is 90x equals to 20 into 12x, you get 240x minus 48,000 into it is 2, you will get 9,60,000. Yep, like this. Now here also x is there, here also x is there, right? So to solve these x, what I will do? You bring this 240x to this side. Yeah. So I'll do this calculation over here. Keep this 90x as it is here, 90x, and take this 240x to this side. So this plus becomes what it is minus 240x equals to this minus 9,60,000. This is minus 9,60,000 remains as it is. Yeah. Now this we can minus. So you minus from 90x you minus 240x. So if you minus, you get minus 150x minus 150x equals to this is minus 9,60,000. You keep as it is. Now ultimately this minus get cancelled. So I want x value, bring x outside, right? So x is equal to, it is 9,60,000 divided by what it is 150. So divide this. So x is equal to this 110 get cancelled. 15 ones are 15 6 that is 90. 15 4s are. This will get 6,400. So x value, we have got 6,400. So x what we have assumed here? So x we have assumed as the capital of this A, right? So x we have got 6,400 and this is A's capital. So here we have write therefore A's capital. Therefore A's capital is equal to rupees 6,400. So A's capital is known. Now you can find very easily the B's capital, because B's capital is how much we have gotten here. B's capital is x minus 4,000. So from this x value, if you minus 4,000, so we get the capital of whom is B. So it is B's capital. B's capital is equal to this x minus what it is 4,000, or x value. What is my x value here? It is 6,400 minus what it is 4,000. So 6,400 minus 4,000 will get 2,400. Like this. So A's capital is 6,400 and B's capital is 2,400. Clear? So both problems are the same only change was the time. Then they had given the time of both. Here the problem is silent about the time of whom it is B. So that you have to understand. Because if you, as they are not given, so if you forget to multiply this, so the whole sum will go around. So that point you have to remember. Okay. So I hope these problems are clear to you all how to calculate the capitals. So in the next class or in the next videos, I will come with the next problem on this partnership. Thank you.